And here I also want to explain that the major fundamental forces that existed in the universe, two of them are the gravitational force, gravity, and electromagnetic force. So they were operating in the universe, gravity and electromagnetic force. So this gravitational force and electromagnetic force were the major factors which helped in the formation of our solar system. So one question comes to my mind, if this inflation is going on, this expansion is going on, the planets must be going apart from each other, the stars must be going apart from each other. Why don't the universe expanded at such a high speed? Although the universe expanded at such a high speed, but the planets and the satellites or the stars, they did not expand at such a high speed. Why? Well, this is a difficult concept, but we have some answers for it. The answer is these forces. This gravitational force, of course, helped the planets, the stars to stay or to maintain their position. So the time, the space and the matter now all existed. They were moving apart, but this gravitational force, one of the very important force, was holding on to these planets and these stars. This is how the journey of our universe began. This journey is far more important and explained by a model that we call as protoplanet nebula model. This protoplanet nebula model explains the formation of our sun and the formation of Earth. Protoplanet nebula model. What does this model conveys? This model conveys that there was some thick, dense, condensed part which was composed of entirely dust and gases. And of course, some elements were also present at that time. Slowly and slowly, after condensation, what happened? Due to gravitational force also, the dust, gases and elements, the particles, they came near the center and they were all attracted to the center. After attraction of more number of particles, there was formation of the first star that we know as the ultimate source of energy, that is our sun. And there were formation of other planets also in the same way which revolved around the sun. This is how our universe, our sun, our planets came into existence as explained by Big Bang. So Big Bang theory, although has certain objections also, but still explains a fair deal of idea how our universe began. Let us recall what Big Bang is. Big Bang began with some condensed entity, and after certain time this condensed entity expanded. But there was some period of dark age. We call it dark age because there were no stars, there was no light. So that is why this is the dark period of the universe. And then this expansion took place. By this protoplanet nebula model, we got stars, we got sun, we got planets, and this universe is still expanding. This is the story of universe 13.73 billion years ago. Now let me take you to the origin of life after the formation of this universe.